Hello, this is Dr. Roy Blizzard, and I'm going to be your guide, your historical and archaeological lecturer on our upcoming trip to Israel. And I'd like to tell you just a word or two about the trip. It's not a pilgrimage, it's not an ordinary tour, it's actually an in-depth historical and archaeological study seminar. And we'll be going to 30 or 40 historical archaeological sites that are seldom if ever visited by the ordinary tourist to the Holy Land. And I want to extend to you a very special and warm invitation to come and join us, and let me take you from one end of Israel to the other and show you things that under ordinary circumstances and on an ordinary trip you would never have the opportunity to see. And not only that, but for those participants who would so desire, you can get up to 9 hours of college credit from the American Institute of Advanced Biblical Studies for participation in the program. If you are interested and would like to see an example of some of the places where we will be going, you can go to our website, www.biblescholars.org, and click on some of the slideshows that I have placed there for your information and for your enjoyment. And you can see some of the places we'll be visiting, such as Qumran, where the Dead Sea Scrolls were found, and Gamla, which is known as the Northern Masada, and one of the most important historical and archaeological sites in all of Israel, and yet one that few people have the opportunity to see. But you, if you go with us, will have the opportunity to visit not only this important archaeological site, but many, many others as well. Do plan on joining us. Thank you.